What's going on, guys? It's Aaron with Old Oak Painting, and I know it's been a little while, so I wanted to update you on what I've been working on and show you. Sorry if I'm a little bit out of breath. I've been working outside today, doing a little bit of landscaping. Let me show you guys what I've been working on. Beautiful property here. Been working on these tree pits here. Got a couple of them all around, and that inspired, did some nice gardens as well. That inspired me to make this little video because what I want to show you guys is something I came across that I feel like if the landscaper didn't know this, then I'm sure a lot of homeowners might not know this either. Look at this beautiful tree. Nice black mulch. This one's the culprit right here. So a lot of these trees, one of the reasons I'm so winded is I've been pulling out this fabric, the landscape fabric. This stuff right here. I mean, it's just absolutely choking the tree, strangling it. And I've removed all this one, and then I sort of gave up for the day. It's a lot of work. You can see the roots were just covered up, not getting the nutrients. And the reason the landscaper probably did this, anyone uses landscape fabric to keep the weeds out. How'd it do? I mean, look at that. Got some ants moving in there. And the reason for that is, yeah, sure, it may block weeds from coming up through, but they just plant themselves on top of it. You know, seeds and things are going to blow in the wind and land on top. You're going to get this growth anyways, unless you weed it like a madman every day. I mean, even with these tree pits, they're going to have to be weeded. So what's the point of this? It's just hurting the roots. It's just hurting the tree. So for this guy here, I'm pulling it all back. Going to edge it nicely and put some black mulch down. Have it looking like these guys pretty soon. All right, so that was a quick little video. I just want to share with you guys something that I came across that kind of felt like maybe some people wouldn't know. Maybe everybody loves that black landscape fabric, right? And it has its place, it has its purpose. You know, I do some white marble stone at my home. That stuff's great for stone, you know. It does keep some weeds out. You don't have any plants there that, you know, the roots are going to get affected. So, yeah, if anybody liked this video, give it a like. Subscribe if you want to see some more videos. I'm going to try to post some more. And y'all have a great day. Thanks.